Hi, Nick here with MedTech World. I'm here with Amir Soltanianzadeh, and he's with Solardis. And you've had a very interesting, busy weekend, right? Busy few days at the event?
Yeah, it's been a great mix of investors, companies, strategics, health system ventures, and just a great energy of the week.
Cool. And you mentioned investors. You are, I guess, one of the investors, really, right?
Yeah, so myself, I'm a medtech founder, biomedical engineer from the start. Had a company called Spinal
Spinal
Line.
line, yeah, it's a really exciting project.
Thank you.
Yeah, 3D visualization during the scoliosis
For
operations.
scoliosis, exactly.
Really exciting, very, very game changer.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So that was a success, and then you moved on.
Yeah, so we exited at the end of 2021, and then after doing that venture, I wanted to try a new chapter, and from my own lived experience with investors and that valley of death for a lot of medical device entrepreneurs, wanted to start Solardis Health Ventures to help support entrepreneurs in that early stage.
So you initially had great success with a product called Spinal Line. Tell me a little more.
Yeah, so Spinal Line was a 3D visualization technology for scoliosis, which was a complement to navigation and robotic technologies to give surgeons feedback in the operating room when they're in there for 8 hours, changing the shape of the spine, what's actually happening to the patient. And then after we exited, I wanted to look at what's my next chapter, and I look back at what was some of the more impactful milestones along the way, and that was that early stage investment and advising. So then I wanted to take on that role myself, and that's when I started Solardis Health Ventures earlier this year to support medical device entrepreneurs in that C to Series B stage, in that valley of death where they are, in that real inflection point towards becoming a commercial product. So now, founder become investor.
Lovely. And you, I guess, as a result of being an entrepreneur yourself, you saw that need within those other entrepreneurs. You saw good products falling by the wayside.
Yeah, and you get to have a real assessment of, hey, I've walked down that road. I know what it takes to get a product to market, to exit a company, to overcome challenges, fundraising, team, clinical. And so, that also helps coach the entrepreneurs, right? Because you're not just writing them a check, you're, guiding them to grow. And so I think that really resonates with a lot of founders.
Great. And you're guiding them with the help of a team that you've created yourself?
Yeah, so currently the team is me. So basically I am Solardis. But, over time we'll grow and try to bring people on that have the same mentality. But right now we're as a syndicate and we're about to start raising our fund. Yeah.
Lovely. That's the stage. So you're actively looking for products as well?
Yeah. So we since launching in about May, we are now closing our third deal, and then about to raise our first fund as well. Yeah.
Lovely. What's the future? What's your hypothetical? Where do you think this game ends? When will you be happy, satisfied that you've dominated, done it all?
I'm happy. I think finding those new exciting opportunities, I think right now has been such a dynamic time on the investor advisor side to see all sorts of different areas of medtech that when you're just building in your own area, you don't always get to see. So it's a really stimulating time. It's a lot of hard work, but I'm enjoying the process. I don't have a specific milestone in mind, but I'm enjoying what I'm doing right now.
Cool. You mentioned some aspects of the event here. Have you been to Malta before?
I have never been to Malta, and I've never been to a conference in the middle of a castle. Lovely. So it's been a lovely country, lovely, very productive, exciting conference, and I think you can tell that in the energy with people around here.
Cool. Well, thanks for being a part of it, Amir.
Yeah, pleasure.
Thanks for coming to MedTech World.